In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your hosting or website. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, go to calendly.com and click login in the top right corner. Once you are inside your dashboard, hover your mouse over the event you want to embed on your website. On the far right, click the three-dot menu and from the drop-down select Add to Website. A pop-up will appear. Choose the inline embed option and then click Continue. Calendly will now generate an embedded code for you, so go ahead and click Copy Code. Now open hostinger.com and log into your account. Once you are in your dashboard, look at the left panel and click Website. Find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger website builder. Inside the builder, go to the left panel and click Add Element. Scroll down until you see the Embed Code option. Click it and text box will appear on your page. Hover your mouse over the text box and click Embed Code again. Now paste the Calendly code you copied earlier into the box and click Embed Code at the bottom. Your Calendly scheduler should now appear directly on your Hostinger page, and that's it. That's how you add Calendly to your Hostinger website. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.